So Google just updated Antigravity to version 2.0 and they completely removed the code editor. So it is no longer an IDE. And if you just downloaded the update, your entire layout is gone and the application looks entirely different. Like they changed the whole core of the app by turning Antigravity into a standalone AI agent platform. And for using it correctly, you will need to understand how the new workflow actually works and how to get your traditional editor back if you still want it. The biggest shift is how you manage your code. Everything inside version 2.0 is structured around the new projects dropdown. So this lets you isolate your environment cleanly. You can set up a completely fresh project and use the agent to spin up a React application right inside of it and then manage your changes entirely through the agent interface. When you want to perform actions or control how the agent executes tasks, you use some commands like // command and running slash gives you access to core background tools like browser, goal, and the feature called grill me. If you use slash grill me before you hit enter on a prompt, the agent will stop and review your code files and actively ask you clarifying questions before it attempts to write or modify anything. So this prevents the model from hallucinating or generating the broken code. There are also specific modifiers like the add symbol, which lets you reference specific rules, look back at your past conversation, or boolean exact files within your active project directory. So the agent has the exact context it needs. Another massive addition is in this version, it has the dedicated schedule task panel. So this changes the tool from something you have always stopped into an automated background worker that handles things like repo audits or code cleanup while you are away from your computer. And for downloading Antigravity, you will need to go this antigravity.google website and then you need to click on this download button. And here you can download Antigravity according to your system. And then once you download and install, the Antigravity interface will open like this. And here you can select your project from here. And when you select the project, you can write prompt. For example, I wrote this prompt, and when I hit the enter, it will start the working. So it will use wait to create a React app. So it asking for this running create with command, and we will just allow it. So the anti-gravity created the app, and let's just see its preview. So anti-gravity created this hello world website, and you can modify it directly from this anti-gravity application. And for code level changes, you might need to install IDE, and you can install IDE from this antigravity.google website. And here you will get the option to download the antigravity IDE. You can download it from here according to your system. So other than this agent work, you get the schedule task option, and you can schedule your task from here. For example, scheduling a task, we will choose the name of it, then we will tell it to run every hour. And here I'm pasting a prompt which is review the latest file changes in this project and generate a brief markdown summary. So it will generate the summary of changes every hour. So this way you can schedule a task. So if you want a standard code editor, you will need to download the separate IDE version. But if you want a dedicated agent layer, it handles refactoring and automated tasks in the background while you work elsewhere. This new version changes how you interact with the tool. So you can comment down below and let me know if you prefer this new agent setup or if you prefer the older editor layout.